Hey, it's Ben. I have this TOKYOINK replacement cartridges. The company sent this over to me and has compensated me for this video, so let's take a look. Inside the box, we have the color ink and black ink cartridge, as well as some basic instructions. These are each individually wrapped. They're in a protective tray and each have a protective cover over the ink area. So here's a quick comparison of the replacement ink with what I already had inside my Canon printer. You can see they are identical in size, even from the side, they're identical as well. So you can be sure that these will definitely fit into your printer. Replacement is straightforward, so make sure the printer is on and you open the front compartment. The printer will then, after a few moments, move the ink cartridges in place directly in front of those labels there. To remove, you just press downward on the front of the cartridge and it will just pop forward and then you can remove it. So this is the same for both of the cartridges. For the new ink, first make sure you have peeled off the protective cover. Next, you slide the cartridge into the appropriate slot and you press upward and inward and the ink will click into place. Once you have both of the cartridges replaced, you just close the front cover and that's all there's to it. I ran a quick test using my built-in printer utility. So here's the color print test and how it came out. It looks good. I did one more test with some colored eggs. They turned out really good. I'm really happy with these replacement cartridges. They definitely work well. They're easy to install. I hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.